art, STEM, letters, math, and more. Our pre-K classrooms are a hub of learning, friendship, and fun. Hands-on activities boost kiddos' confidence while practicing motor skills and experimenting with language and literacy. They're also organizing their ideas, problem solving, and showing their creative side.
I saw a gold moon.
Did you see the gold one?
They're called supermoons.
Our pre-K classrooms have their sights set on the moon. In our centers, children are discovering phases of the moon. They're starting to learn and use some general science vocabulary like phases, full moon, and crescent moon. Plus, they are honing their fine motor skills by using more precision to draw the phases of the moon for their final illustration. This activity ignites their curiosity about science while helping with cognitive development and executive function as well. We're getting bright, bold, and creative in our pre-K classrooms. Learning that rainbows are created when sun shines through water in the air, children are creating their own rainbows through a visual art experience. This hands-on activity works on executive function and sequencing skills by asking them to identify, plan, and organize their art piece. They're intentionally planning on how they want to create their rainbow by choosing what colors to use and in what order. They're also practicing their fine motor skills by using just the tips of their fingers to create their rainbows. Our pre-K classrooms are talking about family. In our centers, children are drawing pictures of their houses and the family members who live there. This hands-on, engaging activity helps with cognitive development, creative expression, language and literacy, as well as social and emotional development. Remember, every child is unique with their own interests and personality, and every child grows at their own pace, in their own way, and that's what makes your child special.